Hi, I'm Rob Clemson. I'm Technical Director for Flamco. Today I'd like to talk to you about how we can improve the efficiency of your sealed heating system by talking about our new XStream products. We have an XStream vent for air removal, we have an XStream clean, which is for dirt removal, and when space saving is a bit of an issue, we have our XStream vent clean as a combination air and dirt removal unit. When we have our sealed heating systems and we first fill them, they're full of air. We're using water that's also full of dissolved air. This, over time, if we don't handle that properly, will bring us problems in our system. And what this will actually generate is dirty water. This results in higher energy consumption of our boiler, a loss of efficiency of the system as a whole, and it really affects the comfort setting that we have in our property. Now this is manifested in different ways with lots of different systems. For example, we can have bubbling of the water, we can have high velocity noises, inefficient radiators, and actually it's money going down the drain. So here, if we look at the thermal camera, we can see this radiator is not being used effectively. A good portion of this radiator is actually quite cold as a result of the air that's entrapped within it. So to make our systems efficient and to be able to improve the situation, what we need to do is to remove the air and any dirt that's been generated as a result of that air being in the system. Let's get it out of the system as quickly and as effectively as we can. These products are designed so that they can be installed in any position with no direction of flow being important and full 360-degree adjustment of the installation. Now, our preferred solution for installing this product is to use a separate air XStream on the outgoing pipe from your boiler, where that thermal energy is releasing any extra dissolved gases that might be in the water. So let's get rid of them as efficiently and as quickly as possible. And we have a separate dirt XStream on the inlet to the boiler. And what that does is it guarantees that we take any debris, any particles that are flowing through the system, we remove that from the water before it actually gets into the boiler and potentially clogs the heat exchanger. Now, what's unique about the XStream is they all come with an Eco and Max function. And the Max function is designed to be used when you're first starting up the system or you're first running the system after any maintenance. Now, with the Max function, all of the fluid is diverted through the separator. And so we're subjecting the entire system flow, the entire system volume, to the magnets in the dirt version and also to the air vent in the automatic air version. And we've designed the collection chamber very, very specifically so that we can pick up aluminium particulate, plastic, copper particulate, and of course magnetic particles. We can also capture those as well with the magnets that we have in place. So it's specifically designed to get all of the debris that could be in your system. Now, once that initial purge cleaning of the system has been done, what we can then do is adjust the unit into its eco mode. And this is where the pressure drop through the unit becomes almost unnoticeable by the wider system. And we're then only on a continuous basis diverting a small amount of the system fluid through the unit. So it's almost a caretaker mode. And in this eco mode, we are protecting the energy efficiency of the system as a whole. What we've also added as a nice feature is a very easy to use service indicator. You can set the date to remind you when you last serviced the separator. Another important feature of the XStream is when we take the magnet out, it's a dry magnet removal. That makes the whole unit very easy to clean and also to keep the magnets clean. Now, it's only when we've taken the magnets out can we remove the insulation that exposes the drain valve. The drain valve itself has a cover, and this cover, this cap, is also the integrated key that operates the valve, allowing us to drain the unit. The vent part, just the top part, the automatic air vent, what makes this particularly unique for Flamco and an efficient design is this conical shape of the vent. What that means is when the float is fully up, when there's no air to be released, any floating debris that may have collected in this chamber is a good distance away from the automatic air vent itself, while still minimising the amount of air above water. Now what that means is we're preventing more air becoming remixed with the water, which is a problem for generating corrosion. But we're guaranteeing that we're not going to foul or put any debris onto this air vent which could cause a potential nuisance leakage. Right, let's have a look at the radiator. So the radiator now, we've been able to run the XStream for 30 minutes, has removed all of the air that's in the system. And in that 30 minutes, and on a typical domestic system, we've run about 6 times the total system volume through the vent. That's enough time for you to pack up your tools following the install and make it very easy to then, once that 30 minutes has passed, we put it back into eco mode and into efficient running. We're giving you the option of a female threaded version, of a compression ended version, and of a flat face male version. Incidentally, the male flat face coupling is also suitable for easy retrofit to an existing system. The XStream is being offered as a pre-insulated product to maintain the efficiency of your system. What we've also done is made sure that our packaging and printed materials only come from FSC approved sources. We haven't skimped on the technical detail of the separator. It's PM10 rated, suitable for a 10 bar maximum working pressure. We've also designed it so that it can work with antifreeze up to 50% within the fluid. At Flamco we've adopted a circular design principle for working with the XStream. And that means we've designed it to meet end-of-life requirements. So it's been specifically engineered to be stripped down to its base materials for full recyclability at end of life. So with an XStream separator in place, you get a 6% increase in system efficiency. Now that translates to be a 15% reduction in running costs when compared with a system without an XStream separator in place. And what that means is we are increasing the system life as a whole. But to reflect that, we're giving a 15-year warranty on the XStream product, which incidentally also mirrors another one of our new innovations, the FlexCon Premium Vessel, also being offered with a 15-year warranty. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit our website or contact your local Flamco representative.